course, was the group clash in Phulbari. Two group clashes in Phulbari were there, out of which 146 were bound under Section 107, and there were 31 arrests made. There was one, and then in West Shillong there was another group clash, which 2 cases, I think 2 FIRs were also registered. These were the 2 major ones, and there was another small incident in Umroi, I think, pertaining to 2 parties. So these were the 3, major, if you could term it, major, model code of conduct violations. Apart from that, there were, in the silence period, there were a few complaints that parties were using social media. So that a few cases we had already escalated to the Election Commission, and they have taken down the posts also, because we don't have the mandate, because we don't deal directly with the social media giants. So we had to escalate it to Election Commission, and Election Commission, after due verification, they took down the posts, and those posts were no longer made available. So this was done in the last 48 hours, as and when we received the complaints, and as and when it was duly verified.
There were lots of allegations of this
to the district election officer, and the district election officer has taken cognizance of these, and I think has directed his teams to verify, because sometimes, like, there are videos which are very dated. There were some videos circulating, I think, of one video circulating of people pouring bottles of alcohol into one common tin, into one common tumbler. So that when our teams did a check, it seemed that it was a video that was about 3-4 years ago. So these videos, they get circulated. I mean, some of these videos, they get recirculated, and they may not be pertaining to the current period, but they may be dated videos which pertain to a previous incident almost 2-3 years ago. So for that incident, it was reported that that video is a video which actually pertains to about 3-4 years ago, but it is again recirculated to give the impression that this just happened during this period. So